Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet where design dreams actually come true. If you're new here, oh my goodness, you are in for such a treat today. We are diving deep into one of the most soul-soothing design philosophies out there, inspired by the one and only Leanne Ford. Today's video is all about creating a soft, minimal farmhouse home dressed in the calm, airy energy of early summer. Before we get started, if you love design content that actually feels like a warm hug, please hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because we create this for you every single week. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you team warm whites or cool linens? I cannot wait to read every single one. Leanne Ford's design philosophy begins the moment you arrive, and your home's exterior should whisper calm before you even step inside. Think crisp white board-and-batten siding, that classic vertical plank cladding that gives a farmhouse its signature character, paired with a soft black or deep iron tone front door for that grounded contrast. Add a simple cedar porch with just a pair of matching rocking chairs and raw linen cushions. Window boxes spilling with white cosmos and greenery keep it fresh and seasonal. Landscape with native grasses and loose lavender clusters for effortless early summer texture. Keep your porch light fixtures matte black and lantern style, simple, strong, and timeless. Your entryway is the hardest working space in the house, and with Leanne Ford's touch, it becomes beautifully functional. Start with a shaker-style wall panel painted in warm white. Install 5 or 6 matte black cast iron hooks for coats and hats at varying heights for that organic, lived-in feel. Below, tuck in a slim white painted wood shoe cabinet, its clean lines barely interrupting the wall. Add a drop zone shelf for keys and antique brass. Anchor the floor with a jute mat in a simple woven pattern. Hang an arched raw wood mirror above, slightly oversized. One fresh linen vintage bench with a small woven basket underneath, and you are done beautifully. The living room in a Leanne Ford-inspired home is all about what you leave out as much as what you bring in. Plaster white walls, that signature chalky, matte finish she loves, set the tone immediately. Ground the room with a large, natural sisal or jute area rug and build from there. Choose a deep, slipcover style sofa in washed linen or white cotton canvas, something that gets better with age. Add a raw wood coffee table with a live edge. Keep styling minimal. One ceramic bowl, a single branch of dried botanicals. Layer in a chunky knit throw and a couple of linen pillows in warm oat. Let natural light flood in through sheer white linen curtains, pooling softly at the floor. In farmhouse dining, the table is the heart, and Leanne Ford would tell you it should look like a beautiful accident. Choose a reclaimed wood dining table in a light, bleached finish, and pair it with mismatched wishbone chairs in white and natural wood for that casual curated look designers love. For early summer table decor, layer a simple undyed linen table runner down the center. Add a trio of varying height clear glass bud vases with wild flowers, white queen anne's lace, lavender, and a little eucalyptus. Use matte white ceramic dinner plates and linen napkins loosely folded. Finish with beeswax taper candles in stone holders. Understated, unhurried, and completely gorgeous. Leanne Ford's kitchens feel like they've existed forever. That is exactly the goal. Paint your upper and lower cabinetry in the same creamy white, using a flat or eggshell finish for that matte, almost unpainted quality she loves. Choose aged brass or matte black cup-pull hardware on every door and drawer. Your refrigerator should be panel-ready or a classic stainless in a simple profile, no flashy digital screens. For the stove, a white or almond tone range with brass knobs reads authentically farmhouse. Keep countertops in honed white marble or concrete for texture without drama. On the counter, tuck in a small matte black or cream espresso machine, compact and quiet. Open shelving in raw oak above displays a few white ceramics, a glass jar of wooden spoons, and that's it. Here is the challenge every designer faces. The television. In a Leanne Ford-style family room, the flat screen gets framed out so it reads like art. Build a simple shiplap wall panel around it in painted white, and suddenly it belongs. Float a deep, wide sofa with washable white slipcovers facing the screen. Add a large woven ottoman as a coffee table. It doubles as extra seating and grounds the room beautifully. Layer the floor with a thick, natural wool rug. For summer, switch out heavy throw pillows for lighter cotton gauze ones in soft sage and warm white. Keep a wicker basket nearby for remotes and throws. Minimal side tables with simple Edison-style table lamps keep the light warm and inviting every evening. Not every home has a dedicated study, and that is completely fine. A well-designed corner becomes its own sanctuary. Choose a small, characterful writing desk in painted white or raw oak, something with slender legs and a single drawer. A vintage-style small radio in cream or sage sits on one corner, filling the air with soft background music without demanding attention. Place a small, beautifully crafted brass desk watch beside it, a detail that feels intentional and warm. On the wall above, a simple floating shelf holds a few beloved books and a small trailing pothose plant. Tuck a linen-upholstered reading chair beside the desk with a simple arc floor lamp. This corner works hard and looks quiet, the ultimate balance. This is where Leanne Ford's genius truly shines. The bedroom should feel like you are sleeping inside a cloud, a very well-designed cloud. Start with walls in the palest warm white. Leanne herself often uses whites with the tiniest hint of gray or warm beige undertone. Keep the bed frame in raw linen upholstery or a simple white painted wood slat design. Layer the bed generously. A fitted white cotton percale sheet, a waffle knit blanket in oat, and a linen duvet in barely there blush. Stack pillows in varying textures, all in the same quiet tonal family. A single low nightstand with a small ceramic lamp and one fresh stem in a bud vase. Keep the floor bare with just a small, soft wool rug beneath the bed. Curtains in sheer linen, light pooling gently. That is the whole room. That is everything. Leanne Ford bathrooms are quiet poetry. For the shower, choose large format white subway tiles laid in a simple stacked pattern, or go even bolder with white plaster finish walls for a seamless, minimal look she adores. Install a simple rain head in brushed nickel or unlacquered brass. For the vanity, choose a pedestal sink or a simple console style with an apron front. White ceramic is perfect. Pair it with a round, frameless mirror or one in an organic, irregular wood frame. Lay a small teak bath mat beside the shower. Stack fluffy white Turkish cotton towels in a simple open shelf beside the vanity. One glass jar of cotton rounds, a sprig of dried lavender in a bud vase done. Clean, quiet, completely restorative. The garage is often the forgotten space, but in a true farmhouse home, even utility deserves intentionality. Paint the garage walls and ceiling in the same crisp white used throughout. It instantly brightens and unifies. Install a wall-mounted pegboard system in natural pine or white painted wood for tools and equipment, functional and visually organized. Choose simple metal shelving units in matte black along one wall for storage bins. Use matching white or craft paper labeled bins for a tidy editorial look. A simple workbench in raw wood runs along one wall. For the garage door, choose a classic white carriage-style door with black hardware. It connects the exterior design language beautifully. Even here, in the most utilitarian room, calm and order can coexist with function. Step outside and breathe. The farmhouse patio in early summer should feel like an outdoor living room, just with a little more birdsong. Choose furniture in natural teak or white painted, wood with linen or sunbrella cushions in soft white or warm sand. A long outdoor farmhouse dining table anchors the space beautifully for summer meals. Hang simple string lights above in a loose canopy. They transform the patio at dusk. Add a large stone or concrete outdoor planter with trailing rosemary and white petunias. Use a natural sisal outdoor rug to define the seating area. 1 or 2 lantern-style candle holders on the table, a small terracotta pot of herbs beside the door. The patio is your reward. Keep it calm, keep it open, and let summer in completely. Let's talk about what makes Leanne Ford's aesthetic so uniquely recognizable and endlessly calming. Her signature is what designers call tonal design, the practice of layering a single color family in varied textures and finishes, rather than introducing multiple competing colors. In her world, white is not just white. It is plaster, linen, cotton, ceramic, and wood, all in the same quiet family but completely different in feeling. She also champions subtractive design, the belief that removing one thing from a room often improves it more than adding something new. This early summer translation leans into organic materials, jute, linen, raw wood, ceramic, that breathe with the season rather than fighting it. Here is the furniture philosophy that will save you so much time and money. Leanne Ford always chooses pieces that look like they were found, not bought. This means leaning toward furniture with a slightly imperfect finish, a paint stroke that does not cover perfectly, a wood grain that shows through. For seating, always choose slipcover styles you can wash and rewash. For case goods like dressers and side tables, painted white always wins because it unifies a space without adding visual weight. Avoid furniture with heavy ornamentation or complex legs. Keep silhouettes simple and quiet. Scale matters enormously. One large piece always reads better than 3 small ones. Buy less, choose well, and let each piece breathe. Designers talk about this all the time, and it genuinely is the foundation of everything, your palette. For a Leanne Ford-inspired early summer home, build your primary palette from warm whites. Think Benjamin Moore White Dove, Swiss Coffee, or Chantilly Lace as your base. Layer in naturals through your textiles and materials. Raw linen, jute, unfinished wood, beeswax. Then choose just one soft accent. This summer, consider the softest sage green, barely their dusty blush, or warm putty. Use your accent in small doses. A single throw, a pair of ceramic pots, a vase. The rule of thumb is that your accent should feel like it arrived by accident, not design. That effortless quality is exactly what you are chasing. When your palette and furniture are quiet, your accessories carry remarkable weight. Leanne Ford is known for using unexpected, humble objects as decor: a simple clay pot, a bundle of dried wheat, a single smooth river stone on a shelf. For early summer, incorporate fresh elements: a small mason jar of wildflowers, a bowl of green apples on the kitchen counter, a branch of flowering eucalyptus. Choose ceramics in matte, earthy finishes rather than glossy. Let books lie flat and stack them horizontally, a great trick for making shelves look designed rather than functional. Use trays to group small items and give them purpose. And always remember Leanne's quiet rule: 1 beautiful thing displayed with intention beats 10 things displayed without it. You absolutely do not need to redecorate to feel a seasonal shift in your home, and this tip alone will save you so much time and energy. Swap out heavy winter throws for lightweight cotton gauze or waffle knit blankets in warm white or oat. Replace dark or jewel-toned accent pillows with ones in soft linen, sage, or barely blush. Move fresh botanicals in. Even just 3 stems of white ranunculus in a simple glass vase transforms a room. Open your windows and replace heavy drapes with sheer white linen panels. Bring in 1 or 2 new candles in a clean, fresh scent, something with notes of white tea, cedar, or clean cotton. Light a candle, open a window, change your throw. Summer has arrived, and your home already knows it. Let's get really practical for a moment, because great design should be accessible to everyone. Tip 1. Paint is your most powerful and affordable design tool. If you can only do one thing, paint everything the same warm white and watch your home transform. Tip 2. Remove half of what is on your shelves right now. Seriously, just try it. Tip 3. Invest in one great linen throw and one beautiful ceramic object rather than 10 cheaper accessories. Tip 4. Swap your light bulbs to warm white LEDs. Lighting temperature changes everything about how a room feels. Tip 5. Always add something living, a plant, fresh flowers, even a bowl of fruit. Organic elements bring summer energy into a space in the most honest, beautiful way possible. Here is what makes a Leanne Ford home feel so remarkable. Every single room, from the front porch to the bathroom, speaks the same language. The same quiet palette, the same honest materials, the same belief that a home should feel earned and lived in rather than staged and perfect. When you walk from your white planked entryway through your linen-draped living room into your simple kitchen and finally into that breathtaking bedroom, the experience is seamless. There is no jarring transition, no room that shouts over another. The design holds its breath and lets you exhale. That cohesion, that intentional consistency, is the real lesson here, and it costs nothing except a little restraint and a willingness to trust simplicity. And just like that, we have walked through an entire Leanne Ford-inspired farmhouse together, from the front door to the back patio, and I hope you are leaving this video feeling inspired, calm, and completely ready to bring a little of that soft minimal magic into your own home. Remember, great design is not about having more, it is about choosing better. It is about making space for the things that truly matter and letting everything else fall quietly away. Start small. Start with one room, one corner, one beautiful object placed with intention. Your home is your story, and it deserves to be told beautifully. If you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people who love design just like you do. Share it with a friend who needs a little home inspiration, and of course, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design warmth. I will see you in the next one. Same cozy corner, same good design energy. Take care of yourselves, and take care of your beautiful homes.